Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to look over how to solve algebraic equations. Algebraic equation is something that might look like this. So that means what number plus 4 is equal to 7. Now to solve this, we're going to have to work backwards, and we're going to have to take this plus 4 that we have here, and we're going to have to minus 4. So we're going to do the opposite of the last thing that's happening to our x, or our variable. So for this, we're going to get x plus 4 minus 4 equals 7 minus 4. Now we can see that plus 4 and minus 4 will cancel out. So that means we will then get x is equal to 7 minus 4, or x is equal to 3. So let's try another one. X plus 7 is equal to 12. So now we have our plus 7 here, which is happening to our variable. So the opposite of plus 7 is going to be minus 7. So we're going to minus 7 from both sides. So we're going to get x is equal to 12 minus 7. And then x is equal to 5. Okay, so that's how we do it like that. Now, what happens if there's something timesing our x? So what if it's 3x is equal to 12? So for this case here, we can see that something is being times by x. So if we think about inverse operations, opposite of plus is minus, opposite of minus is plus, opposite of times is divide, opposite of divide is times. So we have a times here, so 3 times x is equal to 12. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. Because 3 divided by 3 will equal 1, and a 1x is just the same as x. So we're going to divide both sides by 3, so we get 3x divided by 3 is equal to 12 divided by 3. Now we can cancel the 3's top and bottom. So we get x is equal to 12 divided by 3, or 4. So therefore, now these 3 signs here means therefore x is equal to 4. All solved, nice and easy. Now, what about 3x plus 7 is equal to 19. So we're going to look at the last thing that we're doing to our variable. So first we're timesing it by 3, and then we're adding 7. So the last thing we're doing is plus 7. So to reverse that, we're going to minus 7 on both sides. Then we get 3x is equal to 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. So now we have 3x is equal to 12. So now the last thing we're doing to our variable is we're timesing by 3. So the opposite of that is divided by 3 on both sides. Now whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other. So now we get 3x divided by 3 is equal to 12 divided by 3. So remember, we can cancel these out. And we get x is equal to 12 divided by 3 is 4. Easy peasy. What about something a little bit harder? 3x plus 7 on x plus 2, so divided by x plus 2, is equal to 4. So we're going to need to find the value of x that this is true. Why don't we start by timesing both sides by x plus 2, because that's the last thing that's happening to this denominator up here. So we're going to divide both sides by x plus 2. Sorry, times. So we're going to get 3x plus 7 is equal to 4 times x plus 2. Just like that. So now why don't we expand out this? Here, so we're going to do 4 times x plus 4 times 2. So we're going to get 3x plus 7 is equal to 4x plus 8. So now, to this side, why don't we remove 7 from both sides? So then we get 3x is equal to 4x. Now 8 minus 7 is 1, so plus 1. So now from both sides, we're going to minus 4x. So we get all the x's on one side. That means negative x is equal to 1. So now we can times both sides by negative 1. So that we just get x by itself, because negative 1 times negative 1 is equal to 1. So that means this here will just become x is equal to negative 1. So there we go. We have solved that nice and easy. So now if we have something like 3x plus 12 is equal to 7x minus 2, we can then, from both sides, minus 12. So we get 3x is equal to 7x minus 2 minus 12. Now minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14, so 3x is equal to 7x minus 14. Now to both sides we're going to plus 7x. So then we're going to get 10x is equal to minus 14. So now to get x by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 10. So then we're going to get 10x divided by 10 is equal to negative 14 divided by 10. So then we can cancel these 10s. We get x is equal to negative 14 on 10, or 1.4. There we go. I hope that's helped some of you with your maths, and I'll see you in the next one.